So in this video today, I'm going to show you how I play Workin' for the Weekend on keyboard in my cover band. For this tune by Loverboy, it is pretty much a synth patch, a synth brass type sound, fairly thick and fairly resonant to fill it out. The main lick that you play through much of the songs, the intro and the verses, is based on a B5 chord. And then we have the B5 going to the sharp 4, going to the 4. And then there's the little chromatic lick here. And then repeat. Once we get into the verse a little bit, you break for a few measures. And then there is this little bit here. And you end up playing with two hands a lot in this part. So it's all thirds. On that sus chord. And then it happens some more. Now when we get to the chorus, it is an arpeggiated piece and you play with both hands. It's a cool part, but it is a little challenging to play. For example, in one hand you're going to be going like this, and the left hand you're going to be going like this, and you put them together. And then the thing you run into is that the fingers are kind of like in each other's space, especially when we get into spots like this. It's a little tricky, but work on it and you'll get that part as well. There's just a bridge here, just some other parts at the end of the chorus. There's a G major chord, going to a C2 chord, back to a G chord, a C2 chord, and then always going back to the B5.